Hi, I just wanted to take a few minutes and bring you upstairs and do a little bit of hammering. So, hammering is a really important thing. I don't do it as much as some people, but some people really take to it. You are going to need some kind of anvil or jeweler's anvil. This is not a proper anvil, this is just a piece of brass. This is also not a proper jeweler's hammer. This is just a ball peen that I stole from my hubby. These will both work fine. I just want to hammer a couple of the pieces that we made in some of the other videos and kind of show you how it's done. The first thing you need to know is that you always want to keep your fingers off of the anvil. You never want to have your finger here because that's how it gets caught between two hard objects. So always keep your fingers clear. And then it's just a matter of keeping the surface of your hammer flat to the surface of the anvil. You don't want to have any weird angles going on, okay? So you want to come flat down. So hold your ears, this might get loud. And then I flip it around. Notice I'm not making huge hammer swings, they're just little taps. Fingers out of the way there. Flatten it all down. So this adds a really nice texture. It's also hardening my wire a lot. You can also turn your hammer over and take the ball peen side of it and make some texture. This takes a little bit of time. I've just done this little area right here, but I'm hoping you can see, if you can get that to focus, I'm hoping you can see how the light plays across this very, very differently. Can you get this to focus? I'm not getting this to focus at all. Alright, anyway, the light does play across this section right here very differently because I've introduced that texture. This can be a lot of fun. Try the hammering out for yourself. When you do that, feel the flexibility of the piece before you hammer it, and then feel it again after you hammer it, because hammering is something that really hardens your wire a lot. You can also hammer pieces like this. When you do hammer just one wire like this, always hammer it flat first and then texture it afterwards. If you just start with a straight piece of wire and you just want to start texturing it right away, you're going to find that it's going to roll around on you and it's going to be frustrating. So always hammer it flat first, and then you can come back afterwards and add some texture. If you want to make a paddle like this, you can come in after with your file and round out these edges. Put an open loop on the top and you've got a tassel. You can make a few of these and match them up. They look really nice hanging off of loops. So I just wanted to touch on hammering. I don't do a lot of it myself, but some people just love it and I want you to try it. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.